Hello. I will introduce you to this so trendy this season beautiful mesh knit. It's a close relative of the one I showed a few months ago. In the mesh from the link, the holes are further apart. Both are perfectly holed because the scented knit decreases, 2 from 3. I will show you how to do it in detail. The scheme consists of 3 loops and 2 rows, which are repeated with an offset. In the sample, the number of loops is a multiple of 3 plus 1 loop for offset and 2 edges loops. Row 1 right side. Repeat. Decrease, 2 from 3. Yarn over. Decrease, 2 from 3. Yarn over. Purl 1 on the end of row 1. Row 2 wrong side. Purl all stitches from the beginning to the end of the row. Row 3 right side. At the beginning knit 1. Repeat. Yarn over. Decrease, 2 from 3. Row 4 wrong side. Purl all stitches from the beginning to the end of the row. I want to draw your attention to the following. In the first and third rows we knit the same way with 2 differences that you must observe. 1. In the first row, the yarn over loops are made after the decrease. In the third row, before the decrease. 2. In the first row, the single knit loop is at the end of the row. In the third the single loop is at the beginning. I have presented you this laconic openwork knit with a delicately balanced texture that will give a luxurious look to any garment knitted with it and is an ideal choice for summer. I highly recommend it. Thank you for being together. If you like this video, press the like button. Subscribe to the channel and notifications to watch all my videos. I wish you inspiration. Knit with love and be happy. See you soon.